So today, it's not gonna be a song, because I'm going on a vacation tomorrow, so I don't have the time to learn a new one, especially a Christmas one. But today, we're going to be doing Christmas words. Most of the words you'll be needing to write out the Christmas time. Hope they're helpful. First word, Santa Claus. So it's like, yeah, it's like beard. It's a little more difficult, but second word, as I'm sure you already noticed from the beginning of the video, Christmas. Christmas. Third word is Christmas tree. It is like a mixture of both words, so it's Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Fourth word is present. So, present. Yeah. That's it. It's just present. Oh, sorry. Present. Fifth word, I guess. I guess if you're a Christian or you're in the church, then Jesus' birthday will be a word that you'll need. Or two words, I guess. Jesus' birthday. Jesus' birthday. Sixth word? I don't know. It's candy cane. So, it's sweet, and then like, you can draw candy cane. Sweet candy cane. Just draw a candy cane in the air, I guess. Seventh word is chimney. So, it's fire up thingy. So, chimney. Eighth word is jingle bells, which you probably know from my last video, but I'm just gonna go over it one more time, just be sure. Jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Okay. Do not do this. That is kill. It's jingle bells. You gotta go out. Ninth word is lights, like, I guess, Christmas lights. So it's I don't know. I was having issues with that one too. 10th word is mistletoe. So it's, put this right here and just go, mwah. It's like, you gotta kiss underneath it. 11th word is reindeer. We all love them. So it's reindeer. Like, bam, bam. 12th word is ornaments, which, a lot more work. So, Christmas, ball, hang thing, I guess. So it's, one more time. Christmas, the ball thingy, and then just, like, hang it. Way too much work for that, but. 13th word. So, I also went over this in my Jingle Ball Rock video, but I'm going to go over it again. Sleigh. So it's, like, sleigh. Oh, that looks ridiculous. It's like sleigh. 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 14th word is snow, and it's just snow. Snow. I hope it snows here. 15th word. Again, this is basically like, whether you, like, if you're, whatever, what religion you are, star. Star. Like, the star led the wise men to Jesus and stuff. 16th word is stocking. This is only Christmas stocking, because, like, tights and stockings are a completely different word. So, stockings is stockings, like, this is also my dog. I think we're on our 17th word now, is toy. So, it's toy. Because you get toys for Christmas. Almost looks like try. We're on our 18th word. Wise men. I didn't look this one up, I kind of just guessed it, so I hope it's right, I guess. So wise men, you'll do like smart and then men. Wise men. Makes sense to me. 19th word, I think. Okay, so it's wreath. Wreath. You know those little things that are made of leaves that you put on your door? Yeah. So it's wreath. hands together and then go woof, like in a circle, and then you go back together. 20th word is angel, because obviously. So, angels. It's the worst. It's really hard to be serious and say angel. 21st word is cross. Cross, like Jesus died on the cross.
And just draw a cross in the air with your hands.
So, that video was a lot shorter than I thought it was gonna be. Sorry. But I hope that helps. That is all the Christmas words I could find. Yeah. Okay, well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make more videos, songs before Christmas. I'm really busy, but I'm gonna try. If not, then Merry Christmas.
Peace out.
Please like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button for more content. Thank you.